10 weeks.
Before you get to wear the suit of honor, you're going to be tested in all these areas. With this.
You're still evaluating training materials. That means that you can see groups at once.
Doofus does things his own way and often inconveniences those around him. But Doofus knows the importance of following the rules and doing things the right way. There are a few things that Doofus and Do-Right need to know. 6 trainees, 3 in front, 3 in back. And make sure his safety bar is lowered and secured. Yes, it Do-Right. Oh, brother, Doofus has brought his lunch-on board. And he's thinking of moving for his future.
For your safety, remain seated at all times, keeping hands and feet inside the vehicle. Supervised movement.
Begin training simulation.
Heads up, hot shots. This is Agent J. Time to see what you're made of. Oh, and that red button, don't even dream of pushing it. All right, not bad, not bad. For rookies.
Emergency. Training sequence aborted.
Hold your fire. Our shipment of alien bad guys is crash landed smack dab in the middle of Mad Max.
Weapons energized to full power.
Everybody hit the streets. This is not a drill. Your eyes open. They could be hiding just about anywhere. Looks like they're packing some serious heat. Time to roll off the welcome mat and show these misfits what we're made of. Getting a bit hairy out there. Better split up.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Six against one!
It's a neighborhood.
Yeah, that's not called MIB material.
Just got a report that some bugs have infested the MIB fleet. We've set up an X-ray checkpoint. This won't hurt a bit.
Bioscan initiated. Warning, alien life forms detected.
Look out! The other car is full of bugs. Aim for the fusion exhaust port. What are you waiting for? The train's invitation?
Anywhere in the vicinity, we are picking up on a humongous
Crisis mode engaged. Deploying subatomic thermal disruptor in 3, 2, 1.
See, now I would describe y'all as whoa. And I would describe y'all as woo. 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 Woo.
Time to suit up, y'all.
was pretty hot, wasn't it? Too bad it's not gonna remember it yet.
Please remain seated until the attendant directs you to
The
exit.
universe and you is so happy. Oh boy, I get to hear that song again.